Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the pull-up for precise seeking issue on the YouTube app. So first things first, make sure your YouTube app is fully updated. Just open up the Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and if you see the update button, tap it. Wait for the update to finish, then reopen the app and test it again. If updating didn't help, then yeah. The next step is to tweak a couple of settings inside YouTube. Open the app, tap your profile picture in the bottom right, then hit the gear icon at the top right to open settings. From there, scroll down to video and audio preferences and then tap on accessibility. Now here, make sure the accessibility player is turned on. Then under hide player controls, choose the option after 3 seconds. And that's it. Once you've updated the app and changed those settings, the precise seeking issue should be gone. If this helped, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick fixes.